Welcome. In today's video, we'll learn how to connect chess.com with Discord for the ultimate chess game nights, making playtime easier and more fun. Let's start by configuring your Discord server. Follow these simple steps to create or set up your dedicated chess community. Next, if you don't already have one, let's create a chess.com account. It's quick and easy, so let's dive in. Now, it's time to integrate chess.com with Discord. We'll use some helpful bots or webhooks to connect the two platforms seamlessly. Here's how to use the chess.com bot on Discord to start games and interact with your friends during matches. Planning your chess game nights can be fun. Here are some tips to help you schedule and promote your events on Discord. Let's discuss how to challenge a friend directly on Discord and get those games going. Involving spectators can heighten the experience. Consider live commentary or analysis during your game nights. Don't worry if you encounter issues. I'll share some common troubleshooting steps to help you get back on track. To wrap up, just remember the steps we've covered today. Now you're ready to host unforgettable chess game nights using Discord and chess.com.